Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup in your Instant Pot. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like vegetables, protein, and broth. Next, prepare everything by chopping and measuring precisely. Then, add your ingredients to the Instant Pot liner in the correct sequence. Finally, select the appropriate cooking setting and time for your chosen soup recipe. Now, let's build some amazing flavor. Sauté aromatics such as onions and garlic for approximately 5 minutes using the sauté function. Then, deglaze the pot with about 1/2 cup of liquid to prevent any burning. Next, add your remaining ingredients and at least 4 cups of liquid. Finally, secure the lid firmly and ensure the steam release vent is set to the sealing position for pressure cooking. Once cooking is complete, it's time for pressure release. For most soups, allow a natural pressure release for 10 to 15 minutes for safety. If your recipe specifies, carefully perform a quick release. After opening, stir in any delicate ingredients such as cream or fresh herbs. Finally, taste your soup and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper as needed for perfect flavor. Here are some pro tips for making truly great Instant Pot soup. Remember not to overfill your pot. Always stay below the 2/3 maximum fill line. Using high-quality broth will significantly enhance the richness and depth of flavor. Don't be afraid to experiment with various spices and fresh herbs to customize your soup. Finally, allow the soup to rest for about 5 minutes before serving for optimal taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.